Hey guys, Vintage Jake here, and today I'll be doing a review on the 1976 vintage Mickey Mouse telephone push button phone. So we got the phone itself. So how it would work is if you push down it would hang up, and you just type the number you want, then pick it up to call it. But sadly it won't work because I don't have a landline. But that's fine. But so it's a very cool Mickey design. It's the pie-eye, kind of like 1930s version. Yeah, and if we turn them around, got the back of them. Says Walt Disney Productions right here. And we turn them back around. So to me, this is a really cool piece. It is worth about $80 to $150 on eBay, so he is pretty expensive, but he is a really cool piece. So thank you guys for watching, and bye guys.